Hello, good evening. My name is Godwin Okoro in Atlanta, Georgia. I am here to talk briefly about the importance of organizational learning and also the structure of organizational learning. So our topic today is organizational learning. So my objective today is to define who or what an organizational learning is, talk about the benefits of organizational learning, and also the barriers of organizational learning. So my expectation is that after watching this, you will understand the importance of organizational learning and also understand the definition of it, as well as the barriers that can affect learning in your organization so you can avoid it. Okay, we define organizational learning as a term that an organization that captures resources of its employees and uses information from its environment to invest in itself and its employees so that they can maintain their competitive edge. We have organizations such as Cisco Systems, Intel, IBM, these top performers in their fields that have developed systematic way of teaching their employees and enhancing their learning abilities so that they can in turn continue to make those organizations fruitful. So there are 4 different structures, distinctive keys to organizational learning. One is that there must be supportive leadership, and these could be a champion of learning that will make sure that that organization stays on top of its learning capabilities. Also, there has to be a culture of continuous improvement so that anybody coming into that organization will know that they will have to learn to continue to educate themselves to stay on top of their performance. And there has to be intuitive knowledge process. That is, a structure and system is already set up that enhances learning. This could be internet access, things like maybe classrooms where they go for learning, just a culture of learning that's already intuitive, embedded in the organization. And then there is a method, defined learning structure, a way of enhancing that learning is part of the structure of that organization. And learning can occur at every level of the organization. So, what are some of the benefits? So the benefits of an organization that learns is that they stay on top of their performance capabilities. Take Cisco Systems, for example. They continue to lead in data networking, data application, and also generally in the telecommunication industry as well. And if you look at their budget, you will see that they spend a lot of money in research and development and also in training their employees. Over 20 engineers in their organization. There are also some barriers to organizational learning. Some of those barriers can be just resistance to learning. Human beings being what we are, sometimes we resist change and we resist learning. So make sure that is avoided in your organization. Also, if there is no supportive leadership, then there wouldn't be enough support for organizational learning. So avoid those barriers and make sure that your organization is a learning organization. Finally, remember that an organization that learns and evolves stays on top of its game. And those that refuse to learn become extinct and go and vanish. Make sure that is not your organization. See you next time at a different course. Thank you.